Hi friends, welcome to Excel Festive. In this video, we are going to see how to calculate the subtotal. See here I have given the location and brand column is there, after that the amount has been given. Okay, based on the location we are going to calculate the subtotal. Okay friends, see here now leaving the first location I am randomly selecting the other location, then press F5, one dialog box will appear here. Go to, from here you have to select the special and then here you have to select the constants. Okay, then press OK. So automatically only the title will be, the location headings will be selected. Now what you have to do, Alt H I and again you have to press the I. Okay, this insert dialog box will open. Here you have to select the entire row. Okay, and then press OK. So once you press OK, automatically one new row will be inserted top of the selected locations heading. Okay, see here one new row has been inserted. Now see here one new row is selected. See, now you have to select this one like this, the amount where we have to find the subtotal. Select and press F5, this go to dialog box will appear. Then in that you have to select the special and select here blanks and press OK. Only the blank cell will be selected here. See here, now you have to press Alt and the plus symbol. Okay, if you press, then automatically the subtotal will be calculated. See here, the subtotal is calculated in each blank cells, correct? Based on the location it is calculated. Now here you can change the size of the font for that calculated subtotal, or you can make the bold, any color you wanted to give, you can give that one to be highlighted the subtotal. Okay friends, it is very easy way to calculate the subtotal by using this shortcut trick. Okay, only thing is you have to insert the shortcut for inserting the new row is Alt H I. Okay, this is very simple. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you really like this video, please press the like button, and if you wanted to see my next other videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next wonderful video.